Hello everyone, I'm Lenovo Veros PM Ray. We meet each other again. I believe you may remember our star product M14 and M14T in previous video. Today I bring another mobile monitor for you. It's a 15.6-inch Full HD monitor called ThinkVision M15. In this video, I will talk about it in detail. Let's start from the out-of-box experience as usual. We have upgraded the package so that you can take out the monitor easily. When you open the box, the product will be lifted automatically, then you can get to it immediately. Same as the M14 and M14T, M15 adopts the ThinkVision Mobile Family ID. It has a raven black appearance and a light and slim design. It's easy to put it into your backpack during your business trips. Moving to the stand, you don't need any extra bracket and can put it upright on the table just by opening the monitor stand. And if the height is too low, there is a height adjustment foot to raise it higher. You can find a comfortable position to do your dual screen work, and it can help you to improve your mobile work efficiently. Just like the M14 and M14T, M15 has two USB-C ports on each side of the monitor. The monitor can be powered by a compatible notebook and can be placed at either side of the notebook, no matter whether the user is left-handed or right-handed. The dual USB-C port design can also support power pass-through. You don't need to worry about its power endurance time for your work. While working for a long time, our M15 will be your good work partner because of its low blue light design, which can be quickly turned on just by one key press. Then you can work without harming your health with a screen that supports 15.6-inch Full HD, 45% NTSC color gamut, and 250 nits brightness. After your work, you can put the M15 into the sleeve and then place it into your backpack without any screen scratches. Okay, that's it. I believe our product M15 can bring you an easy and effective experience for your mobile work. Hope you like it. Thanks for your attention. See you next time.